We got some crabs, quarter crab, half crab, and we're gonna be doing it on a high-low rig. Going for red drum and black drum. Hopefully get some. We got a couple good crabs. We'll use them as bait. But yeah, we're offshore right now. Actually, not offshore. We're probably not even a mile from shore. We're at the first spot. We're about to drop some baits down and hopefully get some drum. We heard there's a bite, but we're getting them ready. There's one right there. So I'm about to put another one on there. Cutting the second one up. All good. Got two of them rigged up. You can drop it out now. So what's up? Welcome back to another video. Right now, we just put those 5
this ain't circle enough for you, Nick?
black drum poles out. I'm gonna be doing some whiting fishing, and I'll probably be doing a little bit of jigging. But it's gonna be a chill day. We're gonna keep those poles out and hopefully catch a nice black drum. But I'm gonna get my whiting poles out. You'll see it whenever I'm throwing my whiting poles out. Oh, there's a fish. There's something. Yeah.
Dang. Big old white.
Oh, that's not a drum, but okay. It's a good one, actually. He ate a crap. He ate a big old hook. Nice wad. First fish of the day. Oh, I got a good fish.
Get him.
What do you have?
Good fish. Oh yeah, that's a big one.
You probably choked it. You sure did. Oh no, you didn't choke it. Nice waddy. Oh God, he got me all wrapped up. No shit.
Get him, Archer.
Whips.
Did you fix it?
Yeah. Oh yeah, big fish.
Get back there?
Nah, I'm just holding it while you put that fish in there.
Don't step on the fish.
Oh, got me right.
Oh, okay. Okay. I don't.
That's the cool thing about here. The whiting should be really
There ain't no white here. Ain't no white right here.
Okay. Red? Trout? Yeah, big ass bull whiting. Told you.
Bull white.
See, is it a bull? It's close. Bigger.
Yeah. Oh, he threw your bait all the way. Wait, watch out. We got yeah, the bait don't go around easy around here.
You can see it.
So she got me.
Yeah.
Oh,
The
fish,
Archer,
fish,
let
fish.
Archer. Are you videoing that there?
Go, go, Archer.
Is he videoing up there?
That's a good fish, Archer.
Good whiting. There you go. Good whiting. Here, keep it on there. Let me
That's a
take picture.
good.
That's a dang good whiting. Just hold it right there and take a picture.
Let me see. She was like 3 feet of water. Got 8 feet.
Oh, I got one. How about that?
Yeah, it's your first one today. You did it.
I just let it bite it, but there.
Oh, God, I deserve to get him because it's my fault.
Oh, man.
You got him that somehow.
He was pulling a lot bigger than.
He'll put it like he was a big dog.
Video
Oh,
one
shoot.
still?
Yep.
Still not put.
Whiting time of day.
This spot's better.
Daddy.
Hold on, he got a fish.
My turn.
Nope, 10 minutes, pal.
Yeah, bring 10 minutes. You know you have another pull up here, Dad. Your bait caster. Your bait.
Oh yeah, I do. I forgot about that. I did forget about that one. Mike, yeah, he's on. He probably was on the whole damn time. We got getting all the damn small ones, I think.
Nah, mine was pretty deep.
I said, I think I'm getting all this. Right.
So right now, we just finished packing up. We didn't catch no drum, but we caught about 10 whiting. At least we brought extra poles to catch fish. If we didn't catch any drum, but yeah, you know, I saw us catch about 10 whiting. It was like 9 or 10, somewhere around there. Pretty good day. Got some good whiting. But we're heading to the boat ramp. We got about a 10-mile run, and I'll see you at the boat ramp. We just got to the boat ramp. He's about to get off and go get the truck. You're gonna load up.
Are we getting off too?
Alright, y'all, last saw, we're at the boat ramp, but we just got home, put all the stuff away, and we ended up getting 17 whiting. We didn't get no drum, but the whiting are pretty good. For a good day, we got 17. Thank you for watching the video. If you haven't already liked, comment, and subscribe, please do that. And I'll see you on another one. Bye.